Good evening. My name is Kara Brooks, and I'll be talking about question number 4. What kind of collaboration from the children's families might the principal and the teacher propose in order to improve the inclusive education program, encourage an appreciation for diversity, and stimulate learning for all students at the school? As we know, communication is a key component to academic success. So collaboration should first begin with the IEP specialist in clarifying their role with the general ed teacher. The question is, how effective is the communication of the IEP specialist with Sylvia, and has anyone ever observed her classroom to offer support on how she can facilitate learning in an inclusive setting? The principal should meet with parents along with the lead IEP specialist in order to share changes to inclusion of special needs students with specialist support. Parents can attend monthly parent meetings that include the lead IEP specialist. This should be implemented in order to move transparency and sharing the progress of the inclusive program and instructional best practices for inclusive schools and classrooms. Always show the data. We need to know what is working so that we can make changes and improve. Emphasize the positive. Be open to improvements and suggestions. Communication quarterly regarding the inclusive and general ed programs, such as a newsletter, will be helpful, and an inclusive teachers also who serve in each classroom could be represented. Differentiating activities shared to support both regular ed and EC, perhaps student-led conferencing to show the quality of work in the classroom. Parents could possibly volunteer in the classroom to support the general education teacher, but not necessarily work with the IEP students. Principal and lead IEP specialists meet with all parents to share the plan for addressing their concerns and meet monthly to share continual progress. What is working? What is not? Continual feedback is a must to meet progress and help parents who have both a regular ed and special education student. Perhaps the full inclusion model will also be examined instead of the mainstreaming model. It might be a little more effective, but data needs to be the drive to this to see what is working. Thank you.